Hello students, welcome back to the online class session of accountancy. Again the same chapter will be in continuity, that is change in profit sharing ratio PSR. Already I told you the extension of PSR is profit sharing ratio among existing partners. Okay, right. And the topic to be explained in this chapter is accounting treatment of reserves, accumulated profits, losses when there is change in profit sharing ratio. Today, out of reserves, accumulated profits or losses, I will explain you the treatment of reserves. Reserves means we are accumulating the money. Accumulating the money or collecting the money for a special purpose. And what special purpose for which the money is collected? Here is workman compensation. Okay, here the money is accumulated or say reserve is maintained to meet compensation of the workers. Right. It is forecasted that while running the business might be some injuries or accidents caused to the workers, and at that time, that is at the time of accidents or some injuries caused to the workers, there arises a need of money in order to recover the employees of the organization. So for the welfare of the people, welfare of the workers within the organization, reserves are maintained. This reserve is maintained to meet all the losses caused to the workers. Whether the loss caused to the worker is due to the accidents within the business unit, maybe due to the illness of the worker. Okay, so for that purpose this workman compensation reserve is maintained. Okay, right. So the reserve which is maintained for workman compensation purpose can only be utilized in order to meet the losses caused to the workers. Okay, right. It's a liability of the firm. Okay, but if this workman compensation reserve remains outstanding at the end of the year, then it is distributed among the old partners in the old ratio. Okay, the workman compensation reserve is distributed among old partners in the old ratio, and this is the journal entry which we generally pass when we distribute WCR among the partners. When we will distribute WCR, that is workman compensation reserve, it's a liability. That liability will decrease. Okay, it will be shown on the debit side. WCR account debit, and if anything is being distributed among the partners, then what happens? It is obvious that the partners' capital will increase, and when the partners' capital will increase, then according to the rules of debit and credit, the partners' capital is to be credited, and hence I have shown you in the journal entry by creating the partners capital account because of distribution of WCR among the partners. When anything is distributed among the partners, then partners capital account is always credited. Okay, right. So for explaining you this topic, workman compensation reserve, I am taking one question from DK Goyal. This question is question number 26. Just showing you the question number 26. Just see the question number 26. First part I am just solving for you today. Just see the very first part, but take the screenshot of the whole question. The remaining parts will be explained you stepwise in the preceding online classes. Today I will explain you case first. Okay, just take the screenshot. Now I am reading out the question. I told you while explaining, while giving or say introducing WCR to you, I told you, I explained you, workman compensation reserve is a liability. Okay. So the balance related to workman compensation reserve will be appearing on the liability side of the balance sheet. Okay, right. I am reading out the question. A and B sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. There are two partners in the partnership firm, A and B. Profit sharing ratio in between them is 2:3. Means whatever profit, whatever reserve is to be distributed, that will be distributed in the ratio 2:3 among A and B. In the ratio 2:3. Okay. This is the old ratio. Decide to share future profits and losses equally. ठीक है? Profits and losses which are to be shared in future, that is equally. Okay, means equally the profits and losses will be distributed between A and B. Means 1:1 will be the new ratio between A and B. Okay. We are not having any use of this new profit sharing ratio here in this type of question, because WCR or any say reserve, any PL within the firm, profit or loss within the firm, that all is to be distributed in the old ratio. So no use of the new ratio. Okay, right. On an extract of their balance sheet means some portion related to the balance sheet is casted here as at 31st March 2016 is as follows. Only the liability side, one item is mentioned there, and that is workman compensation reserve, and its amount is 40,000 rupees. Amount is 40,000 rupees. This amount is to be distributed among A and B. Among A and B. In which ratio? 2:3. Means 2/5. Just add 2 plus 3, 5. 5 will be the denominator. 2/5 of 40,000 will be shared by A, and 3/5 will be shared by B. Okay, 24,000 rupees. Right. Workman compensation reserve account debit to old partners capital. Old partners are A and B. To A's capital account, to B's capital account. Amount so calculated by me here. You can see here 16,000 will be written in front of A's capital and 24,000 will be written in front of B's capital. Okay. Is it clear to you? Now, so this was the solution of this very first case related to question number 26. Some more cases are there. That cases in steps I will just explain you in further online classes. Till then, you go through the explanation of the very first part of 26th question. Okay, and keep in mind the general entry to be passed when WCR, that is workman compensation reserve, is to be distributed among old partners is WCR account debit to old partners capital account. Okay, this entry you just keep in mind. On the basis of this entry, I have passed the entry related to the question which is asked in the question. WCR account debit to A's capital account to B's capital account. Transfer of WCR, the workman compensation reserve, in old profit sharing ratio, that is 2:3. Okay, this is the narration, whatever I explained you how I have passed the journal entry. That's its explanation is mentioned within the brackets. Okay, explanation is in the narration. Okay, right, that's all for today. Just I am showing you the question solution once again. You take the screenshot of the same question and just pair it up. Take the screenshot of the right hand side. Solution of this very first part. Remaining portion. Take the screenshot. Okay. Now, that's all for today. That's all for today. The explanation YouTube video will be shared by me in the WhatsApp class group. Okay, you just go through the video repeatedly. Okay, because on the basis of this very first case, I will be solving the next cases, and that are 3 more cases are there related to this question in the preceding online classes of accountancy. Okay, till then you repeatedly watch the video, get your doubts clear, get your queries clear by sharing your problems with me. Your problems will be solved 100%. Okay, no doubts will be left. Okay, each and every doubt will be free by me. Okay, that's all for today. Have a nice day.